Are you tired of losing money in the crypto market? Do you want to learn how to turn your $10,000 investment into $2 million? Look no further. In this video, we will reveal the secret trading strategy of a trader who has done just that. This strategy is so powerful, and it can be used by traders of all levels, from beginners to experts. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn the best trading strategy you've ever seen. This is a strategy of Nicholas Darvas. He is known for his famous book, How I Made $2 Million in the Stock Market. Obviously, at the time, the technology and knowledge to know the financial markets were unknown to the vast majority of people. So in this video, we're going to take advantage of the fact that we already have indicators that allow us to see this strategy more clearly. Let's see how this strategy works. I'm in TradingView, and I'm going to be explaining this strategy on a Bitcoin chart in a 15-minute time frame. This is what our chart is going to look like when we're done setting up our indicators. I'll quickly cross these out so I can explain the settings from the beginning. Let's add the first indicator to the chart. So let's access the Indicators tab and search Mavelim WW, and then add this one created by Kivance Ozbilgic to the chart. Then we will add our next indicator, which is called the Darvas Box by Kevin FR3762, created by Kivance Ozbilgic. And finally, let's add our last indicator to the chart. It is called Wada Adder Explosion View. This one created by Cheyenne KMTM. Now let's modify its configurations to obtain good results from these indicators. First of all, let's access the settings for Mavelim W indicator. In the Style section, we're going to change these three colors to yellow and leave the inputs on default. We will leave the settings for the Darvas Box indicator on default. Finally, we're going to modify the style of Wada Explosion indicator. In the Style section, change the explosion line to white color and change the opacity to 100. And I'll also change the dead zone line to 100 opacity. These are all the modifications we will need in order to make the most benefit out of this strategy. So here's how we will enter a buy trade through this strategy. First of all, the price must be above this yellow line, just like it is here. Second, on the Wada indicator, the volume must be above the white line. And it should also be above the blue ATR line. This indicates strength in the market. For the third confirmation, the Japanese candlestick should end above the Darvas Box. It should be like this. These are all the conditions. And as all of them are fulfilled, I will open a buy position here. Now, the stop loss will be established on the opposite line of the Darvas Box. If this line is too far from the price, we will take the most recent swing low as a stop loss. I set the stop loss at the Darvas Box indicator line, which is the red line. Now we are going to see how the risk management rule works for this strategy. Regarding the take profit, we are going to set the first stop loss at a risk-reward ratio of 1:1. And when the price gets there, we are going to take a profit of 50% of the trade and move the stop loss to break even. And for other 50, we are going to let it reach a risk to reward ratio of 2:1. And when it reaches this target, we completely close the trade. If you guys want free buy and sell trades like these, join my Telegram group. The link is in the description. Now let's go through another buy example to understand the rules properly. I have increased the thickness of this ATR blue line as it was difficult to understand before. Here we have a good example of a buy trade. As we can see in this candle, it is breaking the Darvas Box line, which is the green line. The market is above the yellow line. And finally, the market also has good strength. As we can see, the volume is above the white and blue line. So I'm going to enter this buy trade. As explained, our stop loss will be set at the red line of the Darvas Box. And then we wait for the price to develop to take a profit of 50% of the trade. We see that here it reaches the risk-reward ratio of 1:1. So we will move the stop loss to break even. We see that here it reached the risk-reward ratio of 1:2. So this is where we will close the trade and profit. I hope by now you would have understood the rules for buy trade. Now let's go through the rules and examples for a sell trade. First, the price must be below the yellow line. These rules are going to be exactly opposite to the buy trade. After this, we will look to see if the volume is above the white line and the blue ATR line. This will give us a signal that the market has good strength. Finally, the Japanese candlestick should cross and close below the Darvas Box red line. So as all the conditions are fulfilled, I'll open a sell position here. Our stop loss will be established on the opposite line of the Darvas Box, which will be this green line. And if the line is too far from the price, we will take the most recent swing high as a stop loss. The risk management rule is the same as for buy trades, and we can see we could have gotten a good profitable trade here. If you guys want similar buy and sell trades for free, feel free to join my Telegram group. The link is in the description. Let's see one more example of a sell trade. This is a good example. We can see this candle is breaking the Darvas box line, which is the red line. The price is below the yellow line, and our final condition down here is also fulfilled, as we have got good strength. So I'll enter this trade here. Set the stop loss at the green line of the Darvas box. Remember, stop loss will be set at the green line for sell trades and on the red line for buy trade. So after our stop loss is set, we will wait for the price to develop to take a profit of 50% of the trade. Here it reaches the risk-reward ratio of 1:1, so we move the stop loss to break even and take a profit of 50% of the trade. Then we see that here it comes to the risk-reward ratio of 1:2, so we take the profits entirely and close the trade here. I hope you benefit from this video and use this strategy to make amazing profits. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell if you like this video. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.